guys, this is Sebastian
and Leo, and today we have some very sad news
my iPad broke because
of a bad brother named Bright.
Yeah,
look, everybody can even see the cracks. Like, look at this. That's a crack.
And he just broke it, and Leo's family has to pay for it. So
not me.
Not you, just
my parents aren't paying for it.
Yeah. Leo's parents have to pay for it.
My parents aren't paying for it. It's my brother who's
paying for it. Bright is paying for it because he's the one who broke it. So he's gonna have to give me $100 or $200. So hope this works out.
I know.
Stay friendly.
Stay friendly and subscribe to me and him. His channel will be down in the description down below. Please like this video and subscribe to his channel and mine. And like the video and comment.
And comment if you think Bright is not very good for stealing my iPad and
breaking it. Alright, bye guys. Please subscribe, share, like this video. Comment down below what we should do next. So, bye.
Stay friendly.